Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, and welcome to our tutorial video series on how to use the Thinkorswim platform. Before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Be sure that you get notified when we post another video. This series is really for traders who are new to the Thinkorswim platform and want to learn how to use it to their advantage to make their trading easier. So let's jump right into it. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a scanner.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
All right, guys, I am in the paper money side of Thinkorswim, and I'm going to show you how to make a scanner so that you can have your watch list show up with the things that come up on the scanner. And this is really good for day traders or even swing traders that you want to see what stocks are showing up for your specific criteria. All right, so let's go in here and do this. Let's say if we were in the charts tab, all you got to do is go over to the scan tab, and this is going to pop up with something similar to this. Now I started with one that I already had and I just cleared everything out, but we're going to do this for stocks, okay? Just to be kind of generalized here, we'll do it for stocks, and you can do this for options as well, and pretty much any ticker that's on the platform, but we're going to do it for stocks in this one. All right, so you can pretty much add anything you want here. You don't have to do it exactly like I do it, but I'm going to show you how I like to do it, and you can go from there, okay? So what I like to do is start off with volume. So I like anything above 500,000 volume, and you can just change that right here. I'm just going to show you that right there, okay? And let's go in. And another thing that I like to do is I like to do all optionable. So this is going to be any stock that has options on it. That's going to cut out a lot of the smaller stocks and the things that don't really move a lot. So that's one thing you can do. You can also add another criteria to intersect with some other lists or whatever. If you have another scanner that you like, that you want to filter through, or say you have a big watch list, you can go in and find those, and those are going to be have these little purple targets here. Those are going to be your created lists, things like that. And then they also have, you can search by the sectors as well as indices and things like that. So for us, for this scanner, I want to search it within the NASDAQ. Okay, so right now we're doing all optionable stocks within the NASDAQ composite that are showing up with a volume of greater than 500,000 volume. Okay, the next thing, let's add something else. All right, so let's go over here to add filter. We'll do stock. We'll do stock, and let's say we want a percent change of at least 1.0. All right, so let's see what this one does, okay? So we'll hit scan, and there we go. We got a big list here. All right, so we got at least everything that's above 1% change with above 500,000 volume. Okay, that's cool. And everything in here should be under the NASDAQ composite and have options. Okay, so if you're a option trader, you can use this. Make sure you have that selected all optionable, and you should be able to trade options on these. Okay, so let's try to add something else. What else could we add in here? Okay, so another thing that we could do is say we want to filter off of the size of the company. Okay, so market cap. So let's say we want to filter off of all the stocks over, say, 500 million in market cap. All right, let's try to scan again. Okay, and of course you can sort these based on percent change. You can sort them on volume, things like that. Let's do one off of volume index. All right, we'll add a filter, stock, index. Say volume index is at least 100%. Okay, you scan again. There we go. So we can see the volume index is at least 100%. So now we have a list of stocks that are really moving. All right, these things are really going right now. Okay, so now let's go in and save this. I'm gonna go right up here. It's this one, save scan query. Let's take that out. So we'll call it hot stocks list or whatever you want to call it. Save that. All right, so now we can take this scan and go in here and add a watch list. Add it as a watch list. So we'll add watch list. All right, so what we got to do is go in here and find it. It's going to be under personal. There it is, hot stocks list. And there we go. So now if we want to see it in our charts, you can go in here. Ooh, and let's just see what this what these things look like, okay? We'll just go down the list. All right, so that's pretty good. Pretty good on the day. You could have made some nice trades in there. See APP. Again, pretty good. APPS, pretty good. It's picking up stocks that are moving, okay? And I don't really know when these would have hit the scanner, but you know, they picked it up when the stock started moving. It hit all our criteria, okay? Okay, and there you go. All right, guys, so that's how you make a scanner and turn it into a watch list, something that you can use very easily. If you enjoyed this video, hopefully it was helpful. Leave us a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get notified when we drop another video, and leave me a comment down below if this was helpful. I will see you guys in the next video.